Today, we will see how to create such a shape through Illustrator. First, we will create a line through the Line Segment tool. Make the line a gradient color as needed. Keep the stock color and fill color the same. Select the line. I will increase the stroke. Select the line and go to Top Toolbar Effects, Distort and Transform, Zigzag. A window like this will appear. I will keep the point smooth and reduce the size. Then OK. Select the line. Again, Effect, Distort and Transform. Transform. From here, I will keep angle 25-26 and copy 5-6. Now copy the shape and keep it aside. I will take a shape bigger. Expand the two shapes. Now I will make it blend. To blend, go to the top toolbar, Object, Blend, Make. Again, Object, Blend, Blend Options. From here, I will keep the spacing specified distance to 2 pixels. Then OK. Now I will make a crooked line as needed. Now select 2 and go to Object, Blend, Replace Spine. We will get the shape we need. Rotate it and place it as needed.